Red light's not working. That's alright. Well, what is up, people? This is your boy Vimanyu, and welcome back to another Sunday ride video. I'll tell you what's funny. What's funny is it's 5:52 in the clock. I have just left home. I'm on the way to meet up with the other bikers that I'm gonna ride with today. And man, I'm up early. I slept at 3 last night and I woke up at 5. I got geared up. Fuck no. I got geared up. I cleaned my bike a bit, and here I am now. Gotta make it to Dholakua by 6 o'clock. That's gonna be another story. But but yeah, man, this is unlike me. I mean, try waking me up on a regular day when I have to go to college at 9. I am always late. I am always late to college, but not to Sunday rides. Not on rides, man. It's 6:06 in the clock, and I am almost at Dholakua. Just after this flyover is the meeting point, and I have some bad news to tell you guys. I mean, ridiculously sad news to tell you guys, but we'll get to sad news later. Let's get to meet the boys first. Let's enjoy ourselves first. I'll be the bearer of bad news today. To most of the riders like myself, it's a terrible news, man. Terrible, terrible. कहाँ है सारे? मैं पहला हूँ क्या? What the fuck? I am the first one? What? This never happens. Never. There's a 24/7 out here. Can get something to eat though. Hello. बस.
Finally, bhai, finally.
Finally.
Purchase your tracks today.
$2,000 years later.
चल भाई, चल 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 चल. क्या? आगे खाली है क्या सर? आगे खाली है, जाम लगा हुआ है? नहीं, खाली है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। आने दो, आने दो। अरे 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 अरे
Production.
वो देख वो क्या है?
पंछी है क्या?
ना रे पगले, प्लेन।
अरे देख अंडरवेयर बाहर है, सुपरमैन।
ना, दैट इज बाबा जी।
अबे ओए ये अच्छा था, ये अच्छा था। Road rash! I think I pulled something. So yeah, I didn't vlog anything on the way there, but now we're on our way back. So I gotta talk to you about something, right? So I told you that I have some bad news for you. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I think for us Delhiites it's a bad thing, and for the folks who live in Bombay or Mumbai as it's called, I like the way Bombay sounds, so I always say Bombay. So yeah, for the people of Bombay, I mean it's pretty damn good news, man. Why the roads are fuck all, man? The roads are pretty much fuck all. What the fuck, man? Ow! Ow, 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 oh shit. So yeah, the thing is, even though we're enjoying this ride, and that's why I didn't vlog earlier, because I was feeling it, man, because I haven't done a Sunday ride in such a long time, and I was feeling it, man. You know them feels, yeah. Damn, that Enfield is loud. Atomic भैया, क्रैश, क्लिकबेट, ड्यूक 390 वर्सेस रॉयल एनफील्ड। वाह, पेचे लग गए। किसी कटेगी, ढील दे। He doesn't get it. ये दिल्ली से नहीं है ना, इसको समझ नहीं आएगा। आइबो हाय, I love you. Yeah, so coming back to the point. Yeah, भाग मिल्खा भाग मिल्खे, पीछे मुड़ के ना देखी। Damn, I keep on getting distracted by stuff, man. So coming back to the point about the news, bad for the Delhiites and good for the Mumbai people. I don't know what Mumbai people are called. Yeah, so the guy who I've always looked up to, I mean, I still consider the guy to be the best motor vlogger of Delhi. I mean, he makes the best content according to me in the genre of motor vlogging, man. There's no one better than him. The editing skills, the rides, all that stuff, the humor. I learned a lot from him. I looked up to him. I asked him for advice now and then again. He helped me out always. And you obviously have guessed it by now, is Everyday India. So yeah, what about him? So Everyday India has left us, man. Everyday India is no more. Everyday India is not dead, but has shifted to Bombay. Yeah, he has moved to Bombay, like proper Boria Bistar Bandh ke he has gone to Bombay, and I think that's pretty sad news for Delhiites. I mean, there was one guy who was creating quality content in the genre of motovlogging, and that too he was from Delhi, man, and he is now gone. एक राइड करी थी, एक और कर दी थी, फ्यूज उड़ गया बाइक का. What, man? Yeah, man, we had to do a ride before he left, but his bike's fuse went out and headlights weren't working, so we couldn't do a night ride, and everyone else was busy in the daytime, so it just couldn't happen. And now by this time he is in Udaipur. He left Delhi yesterday and he is in Udaipur right now. He's driving to Bombay with all his stuff, and he'll be in Bombay by tonight. By the time you're watching this, he's in Bombay. So all the Delhiites, go and spam him, tell him how much we are gonna miss him and how we hate him for leaving us, man. Some of you might think that I am overreacting, but this is a fanboy speaking, man. A total fanboy. Man, it's so fucking emotional.
Purchase your tracks today.
And I think this guy in front of me, Atomicookie, he has all the makings of being the next everyday India, man. His editing is on point, his humor is on point. I think he is gonna take this motovlogging scene by a storm. That is, if you mother keep posting stuff. I think I am lazy, but Manav, aka Atomicookie, he is so fuck, man. That was unexpected. Yeah, so man, I think I am lazy, but I think the word lazy was originally meant to describe this guy.
Purchase your tracks today.
चल बच्चू, क्या कर रहा है? चल, ओके, यहाँ से जा रहा है. So yeah, man, if you wanna watch some quality content, watch Atomicookie's channel. This guy has all the makings of being the next everyday India. So now that I've told you about Atomicookie, just don't forget to watch my channel. He would be on my channel as well, man. You can watch him here. No need to go to his channel. That is fucking contradicting, but yeah. And in his previous video that I was also in, I was riding the fat boy in there. He said that he considers me to be a brother now because we ride often now. And I'd say, man, I love you too. I love you in a very gay way. Yeah. So yeah, in all, the whole purpose of this video was to say, Atomicookie, I love you, and the everyday India, I hate you for leaving us. Yeah, that is about it. There's nothing more to it. It was a regular Sunday ride. We've done this route many times before, so there wasn't anything special that I was gonna show you. So I thought I might as well talk about this that was on my mind. Hope you enjoyed this short and vague video. This was pretty damn vague and pretty meaningless. I think there was no context to it. There was no content. But I promised you that I'd come up with 2 videos a week. So here you go. That is what you get. इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा. So till next time. Okay, tata, bye bye. Yeah. Wait. Hold on a second. Just one more thing. Happy MotoGP to you. Today is the first race of MotoGP, and man, I'm gonna watch it on a big screen. So tell me who you're rooting for this season. My pick for this season is Zarko, man. That is a mad guy. He is a mad guy. So yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, go on, enjoy your life. Bye.